Uh-oh.
Ah! And the people over there were wondering my pocket was doing so good at punch out because they realized in this game all they do is fucking punch. I said in punch out that's a good thing, really. Yeah!
You bastard!
You make him!
You bastard! Oh!
Bobby goes back to what brought him here.
Ah! Mario! Whee!
This is for all those years of you jumping off and just get a little higher.
You traitorous swine! Move! Would that have done it?
Yeah, I probably would have killed Mario.
Oh! It's a weird DI on that.
Pat's eyes are watered.
He's hungry! You want some curry? Go eat Curry House!
Ah! Oh, we're not going to Bravos tonight?
No!
Give him some Ganon curry.
Bravos is for queers! We're going to Curry House!
Oh, excuse me?
We're going to eat Curry House!
Ah!
Oh, food. Oh, egg. Coins.
Oh! Two block! He was a jump?
Yeah.
Shit.
That looks like he's suffering over there.
Yeah, his eyes are like watering. His eyes are watering. Like, yeah. Count Ganon is tired.
Didn't get his coffee.
He needs coffee!
Oh, shit! That's right.
I like the screen going on. It's bright. I like it.
Oh no! Woo. Look at that Mario, so good.
Oh my god. Super Cannon time! Or not. Ah!
Come on, Pat. Bring it back.
Right here.
I refuse to play here.
Oh, God.
What? You can't do that!
It's impossible.
It's a league. Oh, I play a soccer. This is what
Captain Falcon is actually somewhat viable on those two. Funny. Get him! Not Captain, it's Yoshi that's not. Yoshi cute.
No!
Mario is like the low-tier Falcon.
Low-tier Falco.
He has the gay, annoying projectile spell.
Nonsense. Jigglypuff can handle that.
And he has all those cool strings off of down throw. Oh!
Yeah, look at Yoshi's head.
Oh!
Look at that! Look at that Yoshi got give them.
Shit. Oh! Oh!
My God! Yeah, look at that! I told you. Yeah! Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh!
No!
Oh, look at that!
But I can't win it.
This is absurd!
I got 0 kills!
Oh!
Venom. His eyes are watering really hard right now.
Surprised he can even see anything.
Yeah, that's amazing. He looks really tired right now. Either that or he just like needs coffee or something.
Oh, John syndrome.
John syndrome.
Yeah, you know when you up B and you miss the edge, you back up the scene. It's like how John always does in the Game & Watch.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
He went for the all the way.
Oh! Whoa! Well, he was wiping his eyes and he hit him right now. Oh, that was bullshit.
Bobby, so dirty.
So mean.
The Meta Knight in you.
Look at that, so mean, Bobby. What a cheap shot.
I can barely see him scratching his eyes.
Oh, Yoshi.
Oh, so sad. Good.
That's it.
Let's take all the money and put it in HSI already. Or treat us to Curry House, whatever.
There's not even enough for that.
Treat me to Curry House.
Oh, you want to play friendlies?
Play friendlies now? Oh, look, that's it.
I'm going to start packing up. Wait, let me do a little outro.
I'm proud of Sonic.
Now you get to listen to me now. Yes, this tournament sucks. Okay, no, don't take it away.
Give me that.
No.
Give it to me.
Thomas, my head's sick.
Alright, this is Dark M again. That was a great, interesting tournament. Alright, so let's do our little outro. Special thanks to the Hawaii Video Game League for throwing this together. Thank you, Hawaii Video Game League!
Thank you
for doing this for us again. Thank you, everybody who came out to the tournament and participated. Everybody come to the HSI. It's on August 1st and 2nd. We already got a lot of out-of-state players who said that they're interested in coming, so hopefully we'll see more. And if you live in Hawaii, make sure you're here for that. You don't want to miss it. That's all for now. Thanks again for Blitz, Sniper War, Mr. A, and Lucky, and Epic Fail for doing commentary with me. Thanks again, everybody, and we'll see you next month. This is Dark M signing out. Good night. Say good night, Hawaii!
Good night!